Facebook ads work by targeting specific audiences based on interests, behaviors, and demographic data. Advertisers create ad campaigns by choosing ad formats, setting budgets, and selecting a targeting audience. Facebook ads can appear in multiple places including the newsfeed, stories, and marketplace. There are several types of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. When users interact with Facebook ads, it can result in different actions such as clicking on the ad, watching a video, or following the advertiser's page. Facebook ads are also optimized to reach people who are most likely to take a desired action. Ad placement options include automatic and manual placements, which can be adjusted based on performance. Advertisers can also choose to have their ad set to a specific schedule, such as certain days of the week or times of the day. Facebook ads can also be tracked and measured by various metrics, including clicks, impressions, and conversions. Advertisers can use these metrics to adjust their ad campaigns and make data-driven decisions. In addition, Facebook provides tools for creating custom audiences and lookalike audiences based on existing customers or website visitors. Facebook ads can be a powerful tool for small businesses and large corporations alike to reach their target audiences and achieve their marketing goals.